How to change your TikTok region or location. So if you want to change your TikTok region or location, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application, and after opening you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And now after opening your profile, you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three barred icon, and then head over to settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you will have content and display, and under content and display you will have content preferences. Simply tap on that, and here you will have a bunch of options. So let me tell you one thing, that in some regions you will have change location option here under content preferences, but in some regions or in some countries you don't have that option still. So if you don't have that option, then you can go to refresh your For You feed. But if you have that option, then you can simply go and change your location. So now simply tap on refresh your For You feed, and here it is asking that if you want a fresh start. Simply tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on refresh, and you can choose a reason why you refresh your account. Is that because of your curiosity, or irrelevant content, or misleading content, or repetitive, triggering, upsetting, useless, or any other option? And after choosing that, you can simply tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after submitting your feedback, your problem will be solved. So that's it for now, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.